Hello everyone, welcome to this question. This is BECE question 2a. And the question says, given the vectors p equals m plus 3 on 2 minus n, q equals 3m minus 1 on n minus 8, and p equals q, find the values of m and n. So first of all, I'll write my question number, which is 2, and then this is question 2a, so I'll write the a on the side. And the data from the question, the first data is the vector p. Vector p is giving us m plus 3 on 2 minus n. Remember, this is a vector, so you don't have to bring any bar here. And then we have another vector, which is q. Vector q is giving us 3m minus 1 on n minus 8. And the question goes on to say that p equals q. Now, if p equals q, then it means that we can equate the two vectors. So we can say that we are finding m first. If p equals q, then it implies the vectors m plus 3 on 2 minus n is also equal to 3m minus 1 on n minus 8. That is what this statement means. It says p is equal to q, so it means the two vectors m plus 3 on 2 minus n and then 3m minus 1 on n minus 8, we can equate those two vectors. You can say that finding m. Since the two vectors are the same, it means their x components can be equated. The x component for p is m plus 3. The x component for q is 3m minus 1. So we can equate the x components. So to find m, we can equate the x components of p and q. So it implies that m plus 3 equals 3m minus 1. That is what it means. So you can simplify this further. You can group like terms. So I see 3m here, so I'll bring the m to this side, then I'll take the negative 1 to the left hand side. So let's do that. So 3, this is negative 1, so when it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes positive. Then 3m is here, m is positive here, so when it crosses the equal to sign, it also becomes negative. We simplify further. 3 plus 1 is 4. Sorry, this is m. 3m minus m is 2m. Now I want m, so I have to divide both sides of the equal to symbol by the coefficient. So it means I'm dividing 4 by 2, then I'm dividing 2m also by 2. When you do that, this 2 will cancel this 2, so that here we'll have just m. So since this is an equal to symbol, we can just bring the m to the left hand side, and then 4 over 2 will give us 2. That means the value for m is 2. Now let's find n. That means we can also equate the y component. So finding n, that implies 2 minus n equals n minus 8. That is, we are equating the y components. Remember, the first one we equated the x components. So this time we are equating the y components. So that is why we have 2 minus n equals n minus 8. So we can group like terms again here. I see this is negative, so I'll take the negative n to this side, then I'll bring the negative 8 also to this side. That will make the work easier. So it means here I'll have 2 plus 8, because it is negative, so when it comes here it becomes positive. Then this n is here. Now this is negative n. When it crosses the equal to sign, it also becomes positive. So I have here will be 10, that is 2 plus 8, and n plus n will give me 2n. So the same thing that we did here, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 2. So I have 10 divided by 2 equals 2n also divided by 2. And that implies when this 2 cancels out, it will be left with n. So I can just switch. It's like just turning. I'm just turning the equation so that the n will come to the side. Then 10 over 2 is 5. Then you can complete the question by stating that therefore m is 2 and n is 5. Then you can underline it nicely. Alright, so thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly go over, if you don't understand anything, you can go over it again. Make sure you understand everything, and then you look at other questions as well. So thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow, please. Alright, goodbye.